Welcome back. Finally, the much-awaited moment is here. We're just a few minutes away from the launch of the much-awaited Golden Lawn.
Good evening, everyone. Well, this might sound a little weird, but the perfect way to describe the evening so far, the early evening, was dull. It's about how dullness is of grave concern to Asian women, and if it isn't, then it should be. But for now, it's going to be out with the dullness and in with the razzle-dazzle, which is exactly what we're about to do. And I can think of no better way to do it than call upon the ultimate diva of glam. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage fashion designer and Pond's Beauty Council member, Veena Dhaka. How does it feel to be on the Pond's Beauty Council?
Very privileged I feel, because one, I get to talk about a product I would generally like to, which I use in my daily life, and it also gives me an edge from fashion, makes you think about your own self, about your own skincare, and also it's not so pacey and less stressful, and I am embarrassed to be even considered to be in something which is involving beauty, because I'm so used to being behind beauty.
Come on, we have to. I'm sure everybody in this room thinks that you are really, really hot, and you completely deserve your place in the Pond's Beauty Council. Yeah. Women clapping for women, come on! I will now call upon another Pond's Beauty Council member. A big hand for the beautiful Neelam Kothari. Do you use gold in the jewelry that you design?
Gold is my life.
Okay, so that is your preferred metal, as they would.
Gold is my life, yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the one and only gorgeous Dr. Shetty. Come on, give her a huge round of applause. The beautiful Kajal Agarwal. The absolutely eternally gorgeous Simone Singh. And the eternally beautiful fashion designer, Nandita Mehtani. Well, ladies, it's a pleasure to share the stage with you. Gold in its new avatar. We won't just bask in the reflected radiance of gold, we will now radiate it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Gold Radiance Collection from Hindustan Unilever. Here it is. All for you. Thank you, gorgeous ladies. क्योंकि इस प्रोडक्ट में गोल्ड है और क्योंकि जोधपुर इज अ सिटी ऑफ the golden city, so it's a very apt connection.
I think gold is definitely something that is very precious to an Indian woman, for sure. It's high time India had its own golden ingredient, because as Asians, especially Indians, we're essentially wheat colored predominantly, and wheat works best with any gold. Radiance के लिए ये एक complete skincare regime है by itself. The product was all about everything that a woman wanted: glow and hydration and radiance and youth. Over the time when you repeatedly use it on and on and on, it gives you a fantastically beautiful skin, a radiant skin, the glow that you've always wanted to have, or you had and you lost, it was all kind of regained. So I think it's one really nice product that's come out of the market. Very well organized, right from the very beginning to whatever we've experienced till now. Everything has been beautifully organized, fantastically done. Thank you for the team.
These special ladies will actually go back feeling like a queen, and that is Pond's for you.